Hey kids, how's everybody out there in YouTube land? Today we are doing something a little bit different. And I'm going to show you what we're going to have first, and then we're going to go from there. We are eating at Arby's. Where's the beef? Aren't they the ones that have to advertise having all the meat and stuff? Curly fries. Okay, they're seasoned. A lot of particular pieces. Tastes good, not too salty. Probably could use a little salt. They're very good. Trying to place what the seasoning is on them. It's not like a taco seasoning. It almost tastes more Middle Eastern. A little hint of turmeric. These are very good. Arbys. Pretty good. All right. Well, Arby's curly fries are very good. Now, this is the reason why I went to Arby's today. Because they had something that I wanted to try. It's a burger. It's a new item on their new menu item for them. But this is not what I ordered. I ordered a Wagu Burger because I wanted to try a Wagu Burger. And I think they gave me a roast beef sandwich. Looks like roast beef. Tastes like roast beef. Let me guess, it's a roast beef sandwich. All right, so that didn't work out. I don't understand, and I see this advertised all the time in different places, where they have a Wagu burger. That makes no sense to order a Wagu burger. The whole idea of having Wagu is because it's very easy to eat. It's very soft meat. It's got a lot of fat content, and so it's what would be the point of grinding it? That would make it even more loose, and the whole idea of Wagu is to have a easy to eat, easy digestible, good flavor because it's got lots of fat in it. But if you're grinding beef, you can make any beef into Wagyu simply by adding beef fat to it and grinding more beef fat into it, and you'd have the same thing. There's no point in taking really good premium Wagyu cuts and grinding that. You could take cheaper cuts, add beef fat to it, and make the same exact thing as Wagyu. I don't know. So we're not going to be able to try that today. Well, I could be an asshole and go back to him and yell at him and say, hey, give me the right burger. I'm too chicken to do that, to be honest with you. Because I just know that some guy in here is going to spit in my sandwich or do something bad to it because of if I did something like that. The meat's almost tender, as you would expect it being shaved like this. Surprisingly dry. There's nothing on the buns. There's no lettuce, no tomatoes, no mayo, nothing. It's just a shaved roast beef on a bun, period. You know, as far as a roast beef sandwich is concerned, it tastes like a roast beef sandwich. Being a roast beef sandwich, a little bit of wasabi would have gone good with this. Typical fast food. They messed up my order. It's not bad, but it's not what I ordered. Well, I tell you, kids, that was really disappointing. Good thing the French fries are good, because that sandwich was really disappointing. And these are cold already. Oh well. That's not a curly fry. That looks like part of a waffle fry. A whole bunch of little pieces. Whole bunch of just little pieces. Well, it is what it is. So I did not do a live stream yesterday. Today's Monday, by the way. Didn't do a live stream Sunday. For no particular reason. I could have done one. I just simply chose not to. Forgive me for those of you guys who are my big fans and want to see me all the time. I appreciate that. I really do. But there are some days that I just don't feel like doing a live stream. Didn't really have anything positive to talk about. Politics. I've been spending too much time thinking about and looking at politics. But I didn't really have anything to say last night. Pretty ticked off with the way things are going with our government right now. All this nonsense about this monkeypox. You know, they're trying to make everybody in America afraid of monkeypox. They're trying to use it as an excuse for another big shutdown, and everyone's got to mask up and close your business and stay home. Turns out the people that are catching monkeypox are gay men having sex with other gay men. Being transmitted by them to them. I can't help but think that much like AIDS, it's the modern day equivalent to a Mount Vesuvius. You don't know your history, you won't understand that, but I'm not going to explain it to you. Go look it up. People in this country need to take responsibility for their actions. Seen on the news where they're having trouble keeping sailors alive on ships in the Navy. You join the Navy, you go on a ship, you stay out at sea for months on end. That's the gig. You don't wait until you're offshore a month and then start waking out about it and whining, complaining about it, getting depressed about it, committing suicide about it. It's just stupid. Well, apparently, this millennials are so tender that they can't even be at sea on a boat. That's something I know about. I've been on a boat alone. Alone. Me and my dog. I had nobody to talk to but the dog. I didn't freak out and commit suicide. The easy times that we have lived in is making a whole new generation of really soft people. A French fry in with my curly fries. You know, we may end up having to go to war. I'm sure we'll go to war with somebody here in the near future. Could be Russia, could be China, could be I don't know who. I'm sure it'll happen. It may even be a war with ourselves. Another civil war. But these new millennials, they'll be a waste of time fighting anybody. They won't win. They're too soft. There's no safe place to go hide on a battlefield. Time for these millennials to start cowboying up. Because, folks, it's going to get ugly out there. All right, well, really not much I can talk about this meal since it was not what I had ordered. I don't know the calories or how much a Wagu Burger is $6, $5.99. Curly fries, a small curly fry. Then I ordered a large, but he had on the receipt small. Small curly fry was $1.99. I have no idea how much a large curly fry is. I guess I can look it up and then call it in, but wow. Disappointing all the way around. Anyhow, kids, be good. Be careful. Take good care of one another. I'll morph you in the near future. Maybe this time they'll get my order right. Bye.